Hi, and welcome to another episode of Sweet Angelina Rides a Trike. I'm Sweet Angelina. I'm riding a trike.
Hey, that's not the right thing to say. Come on. I know we watched David Rides A Trike all the time, but we don't want to use his opening line. That's his. We got our own special one. All right, let's try it again. Ready? Go ahead.
Aloha.
There you go. Aloha, everybody. How are you guys all doing today? Today we are on the slopes of Diamond Head as our starting point, and we're going to head out towards KAHALA, WAIALAE, and eventually end out at Hawaii Kai. This is the route of the Honolulu Marathon, by the way. Starts in Kapolani Park, which we just passed, goes around Diamond Head and out towards Hawaii Kai. So if you want to buy a house on the slopes of Diamond Head, you might have to give up on that trike that you were thinking about, that upgrade. Yeah, set you back a pretty penny, I think. A lot of movie stars have homes along here.
My island girl is there on the road when it makes me feel weary. You'll always be there for me on this tropical shore.
Well, we're going to see a lot of nice real estate on this ride today because we're on the Primo coast. It's the south coast. And there's some gorgeous homes out here. Everything is oceanfront, beachfront. So anyway, one of our goals today is to see if we can get over that ridge in Diamond Head and get a peek into the crater. So we're looking for a higher altitude start point, which should be up here a little bit, and we'll see if we can get inside. You cannot fly a drone inside a state park, but you can fly it on the outside. Now, can I get that high above it? I don't know. So we are going to explore it, aren't we? Meanwhile, on the opposite side, you can't see much right now because of all the thickness. But there's some gorgeous beach down here. We're gonna take the drone out and see if we can get some footage of that as well. So looking forward to it. A great day today, guys. Aloha.
Tender arms. Past the statue of Jesus and the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters as they fell from the sky. Sweet Josie of New York City, patron saint of my troubles and the cure for my wandering ways. You're the woman who loves me as I trip on my brain. Stumbling, falling in love with you twice in one day. Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Tell me of your Euro days and the things you have seen. Won't you pardon me, man? I think my ride is here. I got a window seat on a song and it's sunny and clear. She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home? She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home?
Well, we got a little peek at the inside the crater, Diamond Head, and we also took a look at the lighthouse and Diamond Head's and the beach here at Diamond Head along the cliff. Oh, here we go. Right there on the cliff. We got about a dozen surfers out there. It's a very good break, very popular.
Won't you tell me of your Euro days and the things you have seen?
We're heading towards WAIALAE, KAHALA. We're on the downslope from Diamond Head.
Sunny and clear. She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home? She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home?
Well, that was a little interesting. We got to see a little bit of the beautiful homes here along the coast in Kahala. There's the golf course, WAIALAE Country Club. We have townhouses here, and they are all connected to the KAHALA Hilton. And that's where we're on. This is the last hotel on the Waikiki hotel tour, and we saved the best for last. Lots of bucks to stay here. We'll go see if they have reservations for you guys. Doesn't look like much, does it? But let me tell you,
yeah, it gets a little pricey here. We came once to celebrate my son's birthday at one of the restaurants here, and oh my gosh, I thought I had to come out of retirement, sell a surfboard, maybe even a trike. Yikes.
well, this is it. The KAHALA Hilton, folks. Very nice, very nice. I'm sorry, but no reservations for you guys. Sorry. All right, back out. Just wanted to bring you, now what you're not seeing there is they have actually dolphins and all kinds of stuff in there. Beautiful gardens you walk through, and dolphins swimming in the pools, and very luxurious, folks, very luxurious. So this is KALANIANA Highway going out to the far reaches of southern Oahu. You've heard of Hanauma Bay? Well, at the very end of this road, we'll find that nice bay. But I'm real happy I got my nice big bike lane here. This is the biggest bike lane I've seen on Oahu, so I appreciate it. And I'm a little familiar with this area because I used to play soccer in those fields there back in the 80s. Okay, watch for cars. All right. Boy, this traffic here is crazy. There sure are a lot of cars. I don't know why they're going this way. Honolulu is the other way. I don't know where these guys are going. Anyway, there's really noisy, but I'm real happy I got my nice big bike lane. And this community here is HAINA. It's a big valley, goes all the way back towards the Ko'olau Mountains. And HAINA is world famous for one of its favorite sons, MACY Campbell. He's my brother, my musical brother. MACY came from this town. He lives on the mainland somewhere. But MACY was instrumental in our first album, Two Waters. And his sensitivity, drummer, percussionist, he had this beautiful Hawaiian falsetto voice that added so much to our music. Anyway, I love this guy, and he gets home usually once a year, and I can't wait to see him. Hope I see him soon. Hey MACY, love your brother. Aloha. All right, let's pull over here to the side of this park, and let's see if we can get a different view of AINA. And here we have another valley. This is called Niu Valley, N-I-U. And I don't know anybody in this valley.
Running wild with the wind, open doors and calls me in.
Well, now we're approaching Hawaii Kai. And over to the left, that big mountain is called Coco Head. And on the right, that's the backside of Hanauma Bay. Well, the winds have picked up, so we're going to have to just go for a short flight above Hawaii Kai. Hang on, folks.
Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Sweet Henrietta, won't you tell me of your Euro days and the things you have seen?
Well, before we head back to Diamond Head where we parked our truck, we are going to stop by another high-end neighborhood just because I want to go and see some of the houses that are here. It's always kind of cool. This is called Portlock, and we're on the backside of Hanauma Bay in Hawaii Kai, and we are on the water, of course, waterfront properties. Well, we hope you enjoy our ride from Diamond Head out to Hawaii Kai and visited the scenic route of real estate, I guess you can call it. Anyway, that's the gorgeous homes we saw along the coast and stopped by a few different places. Hope you enjoyed it.
Charlie's good to have you home.
Next week we're going to explore Hanauma Bay, the cliffs along the route out to Sandy Beach, and I guarantee you it's going to be spectacular. All right, guys, you guys have a great week. Say goodbye, sweet Angelina.
Aloha.
Okay, see you guys. Aloha.